like to thank herself because I think she really enjoyed working with Sujoy on this one. I can't say that she enjoyed with me and Jaideep. I think she said that enough. Yeah. We are all living in Bebo's world, so congratulations, Bebo.
Wow, people को वोट मिला, आप दोनों आ गए.
Wow, thank you so much. Please take your seats.
Of the year goes to Agastya Nanda for The Archies on the OTT platform Netflix.
Well, anybody from the team? Alright, कोई बात नहीं, हम अवार्ड जरूर उनका रखेंगे अपने पास. We'll make sure the award reaches. Thank you so much. Thank you दादा. Thank you for doing the honors. Well, अब आप वहाँ पे लोग पेरिस में ओलंपिक देखेंगे, यहाँ पे ओलंपिक देखेंगे. जल्दी जल्दी अवार्ड करते हैं. Moving on.
Acting excellence in negative role. Acting excellence in a negative role. Please, can we have our nominations?
In Balaji for Apurva, Ronit Roy for Bloody Daddy, Rajesh Telang for Chhatrivali, Anurag Kashyap for Haddi, Ranveer Shori for Mumbaikar.
Apurva on OTT platform. Oscar, congrats, buddy.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू अदिति, थैंक यू मनीष भाई. इनफैक्ट मैं छोटा ट्रिविया बोलना चाहूँगा. ये जब मैं बहुत छोटा था तो मैंने पहली बार स्टेज में होस्टिंग का काम किया था और मैं तब मनीष पॉल जी के साथ था. याद है आपको बॉर्न ब्रेड बोल के एक बहुत ही छोटी सी कंपनी थी दिल्ली हुई.
अरे हाँ यार, क्या बात कर रहे हो? वो तुम भी थे?
हाँ मैं भी.
हाय मनीष,
सर.
ईशा, आप लोग का नाम भी देखिए, जहां आपका नाम खत्म होता है वहां उनका नाम शुरू होता है. टुगेदर यू आर मनीषा.
I like it.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And this is the award for acting excellence in a comedy role. And the award goes to Sania Malhotra. For Kathal, a jackfruit mystery.
Kathal.
Congratulations.
I'm so happy for Sanya. She's such a hard-working actor. And go Sanya, we love you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Congrats.
In excellence in a supporting role, male. Why are males always in a supporting role? Goes to, I think the guy knows it, he's smiling. It goes to Vijay Verma.
Thank you. This is, I think, when I go to an ice cream store, I want double scoop. Only then I'm satisfied. But the life पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है कि award function में दो मिल रहे हैं. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. जानेजा is special because मुझे ना वो I was playing too many psychotic roles and Janeja was a refreshing break for me and it put me also on a very interesting track. I got into fitness, I learned martial arts, I picked up some really good habits in the course of preparing for that film and I kept them with me. So some films can change your life and Janeja is one of them. I kicked some serious ass in that film. Sorry for the French. So I would like to share this with Sujoy Ghosh, who is whole and soul responsible for this film, who took a lovely material written by this amazing Japanese author, book Devotion of Suspect X, and made an incredible adaptation for India, and sharing it with Kareena and Jaideep, who are my most favorite co-actors. Thank you so much.
Amazing.
Goes to
Apurv Singh Karki for Sirf Ek Banda Kafi Hai.
For really taking it all the way, and I come back to only one thing. Deepak Kingrani, my writer. No, on web, nothing is possible without good writing. Take it or leave it. This is it, period. अभी वेब पे हम लोगों को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा समय अपनी राइटिंग पे देना पड़ेगा, और दीपक किंगरानी एक ऐसा एसेट है हमारे पास में जिसको लेके हमें बहुत गर्व है, और हम उस पर इतना भरोसा करते हैं उस आदमी पे कि अभी डेनमार्क में बैठा हुआ है और उसने कहा कि सर मिलेगा तो ले लीजिएगा. I love this. Why I love this? Because somewhere I feel that in our industry we've never nurtured our writers. This is the time. This is the time. And this award is to Deepak Kingrani. This award is to Z5, Z Studios for believing in